Hello everyone, Connor here from Rosen, Nissan in Madison. Today I have the 2023 Nissan Titan with me, and I'm going to show you how to use the two-wheel drive, 4-high, and 4-low transfer switch. As you can see, it did get a snowstorm in Wisconsin this morning, so it's very much needed right now. Let's head on into the cab of the truck so I can show you where the switch is. Alrighty, now we're in the cab of the truck, so first thing I want to show you is the location of the transfer switch. It's going to be right here under your start-stop engine button. And right now you can see we're in two-wheel drive, and that's going to show up on the screen right here. It's going to be a little picture of the truck, and the two rear wheels are going to be in white, showing it's in two-wheel drive. What I'm going to do, if you want to go back down to the transfer case, I'm going to switch this switch here to 4-high. You're going to hear a little beep, and then if you want to go back up to the display screen over there, you're going to see all four wheels are going to be white. So going back down to the switch, you can use 4-high up to 62 miles an hour from two-wheel drive to 4-high. So what I mean by that, you can switch from two-wheel drive to 4-high without an issue. And you're going to use 4-high more in like rocky roads, snowy roads, sandy roads, etc. And then two-wheel drive you're going to use on normal dry paved roads. Last one I want to talk about is 4-low. 4-low is what you're going to use when you're stuck in the mud or if you're towing someone out of the ditch. And in Wisconsin, that happens quite a lot. So, I'm going to go to neutral here real quick. And then I'm going to push in on the transfer case button here. As you can see, I can go like this and go over to 4-low. It's going to give you a little emblem again, but this time it's going to say 4-low. And now what we're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate two-wheel drive and 4-high in the snowy conditions and show you. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do, I'm in two-wheel drive right now, and I'm going to demonstrate for you how to go backwards and then forward in two-wheel drive first. And then I'll show you in 4-high and show you the results. So I'm in reverse right now, and I'm going to go back. As you can see, I'm slipping, not really going anywhere. What I'm going to do now is try to go forward. So right now, I went forward, but there's a lot of wheel slippage. I didn't have a lot of control. So I'm going to switch the 4-high right now with my transfer case switch. It beeped at me. We're all good to go. Truck is in reverse. I can move a lot easier with 4-wheel drive high in the snow because all 4 wheels are moving the same speed. And let's try to go forward now. A lot more control and a lot more traction. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or need another explanation, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks guys, have a nice day.